Yeah, 1, 2, 2, 2. Uh-huh. Nope. Uh-huh. Wait. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Bring it up. Yep. 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 Barely there. Barely. Yeah, check 1, 2.
You're over here.
Yeah, check 1, 2. Microphone 1 and 2. Bring it up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. 1, 2. There it is. Can you bring 1 back in? Uh-huh. 1, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. So bring 1 down a little bit on the channel. On aux 1, down. Mic 1, down and mix. Yeah, check 1, 2. Uh-huh. 1, 2. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Split the difference. Give it a little more back. Uh-huh. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. Louie.
Rick,
What are you doing, Lou?
where are you, Rick?
Stockholm. We're rocking Stockholm tonight. Uh-huh. 1, 2. Yeah. Uh-huh. 1, 2. Uh-huh. 1, 2. Now bring a little more into 2. Uh-huh. 1, 2. 1 into 3. Uh-huh. 1 and 2. Uh-huh. 1, 2. Uh-huh. Bring it up. Uh-huh. Hold it. Down a little bit. Uh-huh. 1, 2. Uh-huh. And just a little bit 4. Uh-huh. 1, 2. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Hold it. Uh-huh. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, uh-huh.
Hey, it's Louis, Stockholm, Sweden. Starting our European tour, day 1.